Good morning, students. Today we'll see the batteries. We know very well this batteries, it is used as a source for direct current at a constant voltage. So batteries, for what purpose we are using? To generate the current. Okay. That batteries, it is classified into two types. One is primary battery, another one is secondary battery. This primary batteries, when we are saying, it is non-rechargeable. It cannot be recharged. Once when we are using, after that it will not be used again. Whereas secondary batteries, we can recharge it again. Now let us see the primary batteries. In that, first it is Leclanche cell. Okay. When we are saying about this Leclanche cell, so this is Leclanche cell. Actually, to generate the electricity, we need cathode, anode, electrolyte. That we know very well. Okay. For anode, here we are taking zinc container. Cathode, it is graphite rod in contact with this manganese dioxide. Here we are taking ammonium chloride and zinc chloride, that is taken as electrolytic solution. So cathode, anode, electrolyte. After that we are passing current through that. What is the EMF here we are maintaining? 1.5 volt. Actually at anode, oxidation takes place. See, the zinc, it is losing its electron so that it forms zinc ion. Okay, loss of electrons. That is why at anode oxidation takes place. Same manner at cathode reduction takes place. See here the two electrons, it is gained by ammonium ion so that it forms ammonia and hydrogen. Is this clear now? After that, this hydrogen, it is getting oxidized to water by using this manganese dioxide. See, hydrogen and manganese dioxide together, it is giving manganese oxide, and then hydrogen is oxidized to water. After that, here we are taking these three equations. After that, combining all the three equations, these two electrons, it is getting cancelled. Same manner, hydrogen will be cancelled. That is why zinc plus ammonium plus manganese dioxide in reactant side. In product side, zinc 2 plus electron already it's cancelled. No? That's why Mn3O4, water, ammonia. Okay. So, this is how current is produced in Leclanche cell. Is it clear? Now, let us see the mercury button cell. This is mercury button cell. Like Leclanche cell, here also we are taking cathode, anode and electrolyte for generating electricity. Here what is the anode we are taking? Zinc amalgamated with mercury. In Leclanche cell, what is the anode we took? Zinc container alone. It is not amalgamated. So while reading these concepts itself, compare and read so that it is very easy for you. Cathode, here we are taking mercuric oxide which is mixed with graphite. Electrolyte, we are taking potassium hydroxide and zinc oxide and it is made into a paste. Okay. EMF, what is the EMF here we are maintaining? About 1.35 volts. There we maintain 1.5 volts. Here, anode same manner, oxidation only takes place, cathode reduction only takes place. Only difference is that there zinc alone it is converted into zinc 2 plus and 2 electrons. Whereas here the zinc it reacts with hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion from where it is coming? from potassium hydroxide. It is receiving the hydroxide ions so that it forms zinc oxide and water, and 2 electrons are evolved. So it is oxidation. Same manner at cathode side, mercuric oxide along with this water, the 2 electrons it is gained by this mercuric oxide, so that it is converted into mercury and hydroxide ion is regenerated. Okay, so cathode, anode, overall reaction, this hydroxide it is getting cancelled. Same manner water will be cancelled, electrons getting cancelled. That is why zinc and mercuric oxide, it is giving zinc oxide and mercury. When we are saying about this mercury button cell, when we are saying about this mercury button cell, it is having high capacity and high longer life. Okay, users also go through it. So in today's class, what we saw? Primary cell, Leclanche cell and mercury button cell. With this, we will complete today's class, students. Thank you, students.